Hello and welcome to our latest tutorial on how to add authentication in Sveltekit. In today's fast-paced and dynamic digital world, security is a crucial aspect for any website or web application. And in this tutorial, we'll be showing you step-by-step how to add authentication to your Sveltekit project with ease. So, to get started, let's first understand what authentication is and why it's important. Simply put, authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user to ensure they are who they claim to be. Now, moving on to Sveltekit, it's a modern front-end framework that makes it easy to build web applications with a minimal learning curve. In this tutorial, we'll be using OAuth of GitHub. Create a file this in source directory. Then paste the code. After that, generate your auth client ID and token from your GitHub dashboard. Remember to add callback URL of http://127.0.0.1:5173/auth/callback/github, then paste the UI logic from GitHub repository. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added authentication to your Sveltekit project. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you found it easy to follow along. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.